Hello, another glorious Teach It Tuesday, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this beautiful spring kimono. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. You can go ahead and pause here and follow all our social medias. Yeah, go pause if you need to. And then let's get started into what you're going to need. This is Made for Mermaids Kelly Kimono. It works with knit fabric or woven fabric. They have a girls version and a women's version as well. So let's get with the pattern here. You'll need one of the back pieces cut on a fold, and you'll need two of these cut mirrored images. This is the front piece here, and it is a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So this is what it looks like when it's cut out. This is my back piece cut on a fold, and then I have my two front pieces, mirrored images, and I am using like a woven fabric here. So we're going to start with putting the back piece right side up, and we're going to match the front pieces right side down, just like this. And this is a super quick one. You can use your sewing machine. I did use my serger and my cover stitch for this whole thing. So, but right now we're just lining these pieces up right sides together. And we're going to sew all the edges, well, the outer edges. So like the shoulder seam here, and then the armpit down to the side seam. I'm going to use my serger. You can use a straight stitch on a sewing machine. That's totally fine. So I'm just going to go to my serger here. The tricky part is that little 90-degree bend in the armpit. You just have to kind of pull it straight. I'm doing the shoulder seams right now really fast. Those were super simple to do. Yeah, the only tricky part I would say to doing this with your serger is going to be that really sharp angle under the armpit. But you can just pull your fabric right here. You can see me pulling it just to lay straight and making sure that you're getting it caught underneath the needles when you're going through. But yeah, I'll just do the side seams and the shoulder seams here. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like when it's done. But we're going to go right back to the serger again just to finish off these edges so they don't fray. I'm just going to do just a simple serged edge. You could totally do like a rolled hem and be completely done with this. It's that simple. But I am going to go ahead and hem it. So I'm just going to finish the edges here just to make it really easy to fold over and top stitch down. So really quickly, just going to sew all the edges. Super fast, super fast. Yeah, I did the whole outer edge, and then I did the bottom edge by itself here. All right, and then I'm going to do the sleeves. Don't forget the sleeves. Finish the circle of the sleeve. And again, this was just optional, but it helps to have something to easily fold over, which I'm going to do now, and top stitch down just to hem, finish the edges. But like I said, you could totally do like a rolled hem. They also have it to where you can add like trim, ribbon, something like that to finish it off to make it easy and cute. But I did serge the edges just to kind of keep them from fraying. I find that works best. So now I'm just going to go ahead and top stitch these all the way around the circle here. And again, if you've watched my videos, if you need like a better, quick, in-depth tutorial on the cover stitch and how to get perfect stitch or perfect hems every time, I do have a quick little tip video that I do on our page, so you can go ahead and check that out. It's the cover stitch video. I use the Brother 2340, I think, cover stitch. I don't know. It's the Brother version of the cover stitch, though. I'm pretty sure they have more, but I think it's like their most common one. But yeah, I'm just kind of hemming this along. And I did the whole edge first, and I'm just kind of folding it as I go. And then I did the entire bottom edge last, so that it kind of makes it look really more uniform. And then I would say the tricky part here is folding around that, the neck, because it kind of creases a little bit, but the bottom is super easy. So then, yeah, I flipped it down, and now I'm going to start on that bottom edge, and I just folded it up about a 1/4 inch and just top stitch it down. But this is super simple. And I totally forgot to say that, I did do the swooped, or like the, what was that called? The high-low back to, yeah, whatever. You guys know what I'm saying. There's different variations to the pattern. And so I did use the high-low or something like that version of this. But this is what it looks like, and it's super cute. I absolutely love it. I do need to press this a little bit, but just a quick press or a good steam and it'll be done. My daughter is so excited to wear this to school, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I guess see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.